Hi, I'm Andrew Poles.
And I'm Janet Zaretsky, and we are the co-facilitators of the Business Communication Masterclass. There are no meaningful business results that get produced independently of effective communication. The problem is there is a big difference between talking and effectively communicating. A Stanford University study showed that 9 out of 10 conversations actually fail.
So our Business Communication Masterclass trains you on the essential components of what makes communication effective, efficient, and powerful. When you master these essentials, you will produce outstanding business results and produce environments that engender loyalty, trust, and job satisfaction.
Our training methodology and cutting-edge technologies set our course apart. The neurological underpinnings, ontological methods, and behavioral science approaches that we employ allow you to tap into your natural ability to communicate powerfully and reliably.
We incorporate interaction and real-world practice to have you integrate the essential components of communication without having to think about it and remember. Many courses have great information, great tips, techniques. What we found is that giving you access to your natural ability to communicate is significantly more powerful and enduring.
Our rich course content includes how to stop having your brain reactions undermine your intention in conversations.
Also a model for how communication actually works and how to leverage it, as well as strategies for having challenging conversations go well.
And discovering your and others' communication styles so that you can adapt to get the best out of your relationships and conversations, and much more.
We've led these programs effectively to tech companies like Dell and Alteryx, marketing companies like Sanders Wingo, insurance brokers like Alliant, construction companies like DPR, and learning and development organizations like Verb, and many small businesses. In all cases, why our courses worked so powerfully is that our content is universally applicable, and our unique methodologies speak to all people regardless of age, gender, nationality, and culture. And we do our programs both in person and online.